Good evening, everyone. I am Vaishnavi from Gobichittipalayam. I am currently pursuing my full stack development Python course at Appin Technology, Coimbatore. I had completed my UG degree at Banarama Institute of Technology of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I had completed my higher secondary education and SSLC from Sharada Metric Higher Secondary School, Gobichittipalayam. I had undergone in two core projects and two web development projects. The two core projects are one is design and development of an embedded trainer kit, and another one is audio transmission through LIFA using Node MCU. And the two web development projects are one is venue blocking, and another one is I am in progress with it, and it's a business related website for a restaurant. And my strengths are that I am adaptable to every location and timing, and I am the person who feel that a person can win when he embrace both the hard work as well as the smart work. And my time management is very good, but that is even I have an example in my own life that when I was studying for SSLC and higher secondary education, we all need to focus on the board exams, but I had managed the exams as well as the sports. I had continuously won three district level certificate for table tennis continuously in the 3 years, and I also had managed to study, and I had scored good marks in my board exams. And my hobbies are playing badminton and table tennis, and sometimes I'll feel like hearing musical songs and motivational speeches. And my role model is my father, who is a very hard worker and a honest man. And also he taught me that never give up in any situation. And thank you for this wonderful opportunity to express myself. Thank you.